Hey Tina, good question about putting in websites. So the first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you can get to the website, which I'm going to need to open up Google Chrome here. And actually I'll just go to it right here. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to need to copy my website link, and I guess I'll just go to the school website here. So I'll copy that. Good, I'm going to go back to PowerPoint now. And I can do that a couple different ways. Let's just say this is a welcome slide. And excuse me, I'll just center that. I can do that a few different ways. So I could just, I'm going to go Control V to paste now that I've copied. And I could just put it there like that. And I believe if I press Enter, it should hyperlink. So when I'm in present mode, which if I just go to F5, I should be able to click here and it will take me right to the website. So that's one way. You have to paste it in there, press enter, and it will only hyperlink properly if you're in present mode. And you can also get to that just by going to slideshow and either current slide or from the beginning, depending on where it is, and it will take you right to that website. There's a couple other ways that are a little bit cleaner, especially if the website is really long. So I'm going to just type right over top of that link, and let's say I link the word Ontario Christian School. Now I can highlight it, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to the hyperlink option here, and where it says address here at the bottom, if I just paste that website, which is still copied, I can click OK. And now this word is hyperlinked with the website I want to go to. And that looks a little bit cleaner because you don't have that long web address there. And now I need to go into present mode to actually get the hyperlink to work. And there it took me to the OC Schools website again. One other way, and this is actually my favorite way, if I can do this, I try to make it happen this way. Sometimes when words are hyperlinked, they're a little bit hard to read on the screen. Whether that's because they're underlined or they change color, you can designate what color you'd like it to change to, but generally I like to have all my text the same color and not have to go back and change a lot of it. I could also do it this way, so I'm just going to delete that text, and then I am going to go grab a picture of our school. So I'm just going to Google Ontario Christian High School, and then I'm going to select images, and let's say I want to pull this picture right here. I'm going to click on it once to get a better resolution copy. If you click on it once, it's not as pixelated as right off the search screen on Google Images. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint, and whoops. There it is. I'm just going to paste it. So I could either go right click and paste. I'm going to choose Control V. Excuse me again. So now I have my picture in here, and I can move that wherever I want on the page, but there's also a nice option. So I clicked on the picture, so you can tell it's selected, and I'm going to right click, and I can do the same thing. I can hyperlink a picture. So if I paste, oops, it's not letting me paste because I have the picture copied. So I actually have to go back and go to the OC Schools website one more time and copy this. I could just type it in here too, www.ocschools.org. My typing skills are too random, so I always copy it from the actual website to make sure I've got it right. Click OK. Now I have to go into present mode to make sure it works. And you can tell the little hand appears, which means it's hyperlinked. And if I click on there, that allows me to go directly to that website. So those are 3 different ways. Maybe you're only asking for one. But there you go. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'd be happy to clarify.